Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I will show you one way to draw a kitchen using one-point perspective. The first step is to draw a horizon line to represent the eye level of the viewer. Next, draw a single vanishing point in the center of the horizon line, as we are using one-point perspective. Now, draw a diagonal line to the left and another to the right from the vanishing point to represent the edges of the kitchen floor as seen in one-point perspective, where we're looking straight ahead. And therefore the sides of the kitchen floor are going to recede away from us and seem to get closer together as they recede away. Next, draw a horizontal line below the horizon line to represent the baseline of the back wall of the kitchen. Now draw a vertical line on the left, which is higher than the horizontal line, the first line that we drew, and at right angles to the baseline. And then we can repeat this and draw another vertical line on the right hand side to the same height, again at right angles to the baseline of the back wall. And then we can join these two lines up, and then we'll have the back wall of the kitchen complete. Next, we need to draw a diagonal line to the left and another to the right for the top edges of the side walls of the kitchen. For each of the receding lines, we're using the vanishing point as a help to guide the angle of the lines. So now you have a basic room using one-point perspective. Next, we can draw a horizontal line for the front baseline of some kitchen cabinets, which are parallel to the back wall. Then at either end of this horizontal baseline, we can draw a short vertical line to show the height of the front corners of the cabinets. So the height that we choose on the left, we need to repeat that on the right hand side. Next, draw a horizontal line to join the two vertical lines, and this will be the front top edge of the cabinets. Next, using your vanishing point, draw the receding sides of the kitchen cabinet, first on the right hand side and then on the left hand side. We can use this same technique of one-point perspective for all receding lines in this drawing. All receding lines will go towards your single vanishing point in the center of your drawing, because we're looking straight ahead in one-point perspective. Vertical lines will stay vertical, and horizontal lines will stay horizontal. If you'd like to learn more about drawing in perspective, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you'll find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. Next up, see the drawing unfold so that you can follow along too. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the content that I make. If you'd like to learn more about drawing in perspective, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you'll find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the content that I make.